What an honor it has been to be able to visit this campus. We appreciate it. To be able to brag on, we've been bragging for some time about the space science program here. Many of you are participants in that. One of only 5 such programs in the country, and hidden away here in the hills of eastern Kentucky in a way that is just mind-boggling to people when they first learn of it. What we are looking to do at every turn is to make sure that we pour into this community the resources necessary to harvest the incredible minds that are here. The skill is here, the minds are here, the workforce is here. What has often not been here is people to appreciate this, tap into it, employ the best and brightest, and create opportunities that are actually here. And eventually, what is going to become known as we pour more and more into the space and aerospace related fields, then people are going to start to come that will say, listen, I'll just move my company there. This is really what we're striving for. How do we tap into the workforce that is just begging and waiting to be trained for the jobs of the 21st century? And leading that charge in many respects on behalf of the White House is Ivanka Trump and her team and her passion for how we can create that skilled workforce for the 21st century.
We've traveled across eastern Kentucky, and I have been awed by the unbelievable beauty of the state, but also deeply inspired by the stories I've heard from students, from mid to late career workers who are retraining into new skills for the jobs of the modern economy and the 21st century. And then ending my day here is particularly special. A, because I'm obsessed with space. The whole administration loves space, so we're behind space exploration in a very major way. It is remarkable what the school is doing, and keep up the great work. And I look forward to coming back to Kentucky with some frequency, but know that we are deeply motivated to ensure that everyone can benefit from the opportunity that's being created in this country right now, and this university is definitely doing its share. So it was nice meeting with Joe Craft scholars, and I'm sure they're going out and really waving the flag for the opportunities that exist here in eastern Kentucky to learn this tremendous skill set. You said one of 5 schools that specializes in aerospace, which is rather remarkable. So I think when you think about the future of work and you think about the jobs that will be in demand in the modern economy, obviously there's strong emphasis on STEM skills and obviously space exploration. So great work, and thank you for everything. And I'm going to come back soon, but next time I'm going to come back on holiday because it's so beautiful. I don't want to leave.
Your president is a man who I have such respect for. He has been in my office more times than you know, advocating on behalf of this university and this community. And Jay, I just cannot tell you how much I personally am grateful for the passion that you have for this community. Because this is not unlike, as I said, where I grew up, and I know what a difference it is when you have somebody who fights for you. And while he's doing things that I know are not always the most popular, making decisions, some of which have been delayed for a long time, it's not easy to come in and be a change agent, but you are doing it in remarkable ways. You want advocates like that who represent this cross-section of who we are. This is a gem. It is a true gem, and the world doesn't even know, and the United States doesn't even know. NASA has figured it out, and others have, but many people don't realize what a gem we have here. And Ivanka, I wanted to again thank you, and help me to thank her for coming and drawing attention to us in this way.